In this video, we're taking a closer look at the various menu options available on the HD4i. From the home screen, if I press the menu key and I select More, it'll be highlighted here in this color. I can either touch the screen or select it there. It gives me a couple different options for recalling images, reviewing data and such if I had a power meter plugged in, system settings. Here, if I select user info, I can fill in information about my company, my address, all of that. And then, of course, if I wanted to connect to a PC later on, this is where I could do that. I'm going to go back, though, and enter into my inspection application because there's additional menu options available when I'm inspecting. At this point, when I press the menu key, I can adjust things like brightness and such, but I also want to go into my profile and my tip. Now, these are my acceptance criteria for how I want to inspect according to any pass-fail criteria. The first thing I want to do is go into select profile, and it'll give me a list of a number of different acceptance criteria. I'm currently selected on single mode UPC, and it gives me even an industry standard next to that. These all come preloaded on the device, and I can also create custom configurations by connecting this to a PC and then loading these onto the device. But I want to stick with my single mode UPC criteria there, so I'll press back. Now I want to go into tip and just make sure that I have the right tip selected. Right now, I'm using the most standard configuration. This is a standard tip with a BAP1 optical lens attached to it. So that's straightforward. There's other long reach tips and things that are available, and if I was using one of those, I would select that one, but I don't need to do that. I'm going to stick with what I have, select that, and now I'm ready to proceed forward with my test.